In this video, we will see adjective and its kinds. Adjective, जिसको कि हम हिंदी में विशेषण कहते हैं. Adjective are the words that tell or qualify noun or pronoun. Example: good, old, new, beautiful, etc. Means कि adjective वो शब्द होते हैं जो noun या pronoun की विशेषता बताते हैं. एग्जाम्पल देखेंगे सेंटेंसेस में. ही इज अ गुड बॉय, तो यहाँ पर बॉय की विशेषता क्या है? गुड. ठीक है, द गुड इज अ एडजेक्टिव. दे आर ओल्डर देन मी. ओल्डर इज द एडजेक्टिव. दैट फ्लावर इज ब्यूटीफुल, तो फ्लावर की विशेषता क्या है कि वो ब्यूटीफुल है. एडजेक्टिव, जिसको कि हिंदी में विशेषण कहते हैं. तो एडजेक्टिव आर द वर्ड्स दैट टेल्स और क्वालिफाई kinds of adjective. There are 8 kinds of adjective. Adjective of quality, जिसको कि हिंदी में गुणवाचक विशेषण बोलते हैं. Adjective of quantity, परिमाणवाचक विशेषण. Adjective of number, संख्यावाचक विशेषण. Demonstrative adjective, संकेतवाचक विशेषण. Interrogative adjective, प्रश्नवाचक विशेषण. Distributive adjective, वितरणवाचक विशेषण. Proper adjective, व्यक्तिवाचक विशेषण. पॉजेसिव एडजेक्टिव, अधिकारवाचक विशेषण. नाउ लेट्स सी ईच एडजेक्टिव्स सेपरेटली. फर्स्ट इज एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वालिटी, गुणवाचक विशेषण. एज द नेम इंडिकेट्स क्वालिटी, तो ये क्या करता है? क्वालिटी बताता है. किसकी? नाउन या प्रोनाउन की. द वर्ड्स विच दैट डिस्क्राइब्स द क्वालिटी ऑफ अ नाउन और अ प्रोनाउन. एग्जाम्पल: ब्लैक, टायर्ड, हंग्री, टॉल, etc. Let's see an example. She is a clever girl. What type of girl? What kind of girl is she? She is a clever girl. So clever girl, clever is a adjective which is qualifying the noun girl. Okay. This is a heavy bag. Okay. The bag is very heavy. The quality of bag is that it is very heavy. I saw a hungry man. So hungry is adjective. Rupa is a smart girl. Okay, so all these words answers the question of what kind. So the words which answers the question of what kind, that is called adjective of quality. Second is adjective of quantity, परिमाणवाचक विशेषण जिसे हम हिंदी में कहते हैं. It indicates how much. Okay, the words that describe the quantity of a noun or a pronoun. यानी कि नाउन और प्रोनाउन कितना है, एग्जैक्ट नंबर नहीं बताते, लेकिन कितना है, थोड़ा है, ज्यादा है, खाली है, भरा हुआ है, इस तरह के जो वर्ड्स होते हैं वो क्या डिस्क्राइब करते हैं? एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वांटिटी. ओके, एग्जांपल्स आर सम, लिटिल, फ्यू, हाफ, नो, etc. सेंटेंसेस: देयर इज अ लिटिल वाटर इन द बकेट. So the word little is describing how much water there is in the bucket. Okay, little water. I have full faith in God. So which question it is answering? How much faith do you have in God? I have full faith. Okay, the word full is describing noun faith. There is no water in the glass. How much water? No water. There is some sugar in the sack. How much sugar? Some sugar. Okay. Third is adjective of number, संख्यावाचक विशेषण. It tells how many. In adjective of quantity we studied how much, and in adjective of number we will study how many. It tells the exact number of a noun or a pronoun. So the word that expresses the exact number of a noun or a pronoun, that is called adjective of number. Example: 1, 2, 3, first, second, third, each, no, several, etc. Okay, now let's see sentences. I have one cow. So how many cows do you have? I have one cow. There are 5 rooms in my house. How many rooms? 5 rooms. So the word 1, 5, they are describing cow and room. How much cow? 1. How much room? 5. Okay. Every student must follow the rules. There is no pen in my box. So these words are describing number. Okay. Demonstrative adjective, संकेतवाचक विशेषण. It answers the question which. Okay. The words that are used to point out specific person or thing. Example, this, that, those, these. These words we have studied as demonstrative pronoun also, and we will see the difference later. As you know, this, that is a singular and these and those is a plural. Okay. Now let's see in example. This pen is mine. So this is telling which pen? This pen. Okay. The pen which is very near. That shark is big. Which shark? That shark which is very far. Okay. And shark and pen is a noun. Put those pins in the box. Which pins? Those pins. These flowers smell nice. Which flower? These flower. Okay. So all these words are answering which. Okay. Now let's see the difference between demonstrative pronoun. In demonstrative pronoun, we use this is my pen. So we after this and that we haven't used noun. We used verb. Okay. Helping verb is. Here in this we use this pen, and in demonstrative pronoun we used this is. So this is the difference. In adjective we use noun just after the this, that, these, those, and in pronoun we don't use noun. Okay. We use helping verb. Fifth one is interrogative adjective, प्रश्नवाचक विशेषण. So it is a word that modifies a noun by asking questions. Example, what, which, whose, etc. So ये वो words होते हैं students जो questions पूछते हैं. ठीक है. Question words को हम interrogative adjectives बोलते हैं. Sentences में देखेंगे. We will see in the sentences. Which river is the longest? So the word which is describing a river. Asking how, which river is the longest. It is asking question. Okay. What fruit are you buying? Whose pen are you using? So these are interrogative adjective. All these words we also studied in interrogative pronoun also. So let's see the difference between interrogative adjective and interrogative pronoun. Here is the example of interrogative adjective, and in the green box it is the example of interrogative pronoun. Which is the longest river? So student, you can see here the word which is used before verb or helping verb. Okay. And in the interrogative adjective, the words which, what, whose are used before a noun. So they are describing noun. So they are adjective. And here it is used as subject. So they are used as pronoun. Okay. 6 is distributive adjective. It is vitranvachak visheshan. It refers to each and every person or thing separately. Okay. Examples are each, every, both, neither, either, any, etc. Sentences. Each student is cleaning the classroom. So here each word is describing student. Okay. तो student is a noun. ठीक है. Student noun है और each word जो है इसको describe कर रहा है कि हर एक, प्रत्येक. Okay. Every nation is proud of its culture. तो noun is nation और every जो है उसको describe कर रहा है every nation. Okay. I like any fruit. Any is a distributive adjective. Either you do it or I will be doing. ठीक है. तो you is a pronoun और either is describing you. Do you have any money? So word any is describing money. Money is a noun. Okay. All these words are used as distributive pronoun also, and we will see difference between distributive adjective and distributive noun. So here is the difference between distributive adjective and distributive pronoun. So you can see the examples. These examples we have seen earlier also. In distributive adjective, each student is cleaning the classroom. Every nation is proud of its culture. I like any fruit. either you do it or I will be doing. Do you have any money? So all these words, each, every, any, either, any, all these words are describing some noun like student, nation, fruits, okay, pronoun you, money. So this is distributive adjective which is describing a noun or a pronoun. But in a pronoun, distributive pronoun, see, no noun or a pronoun is used after these words, each, every, neither, either, any. Okay, preposition is used, each of us, everyone must, neither of you. Okay, so this is the difference between distributive adjective and distributive pronoun. ठीक है. Seventh is proper adjective, व्यक्तिवाचक विशेषण. It originate from a proper noun. Proper adjective originate from a proper noun. यानी कि जितने भी आपने proper noun पढ़े हैं ना, उनसे जो word originate होता है, that is called proper adjective. यानी कि वो noun या pronoun को describe करता है. ठीक है, जैसे इंडियन, चाइनीज, इटालियन एक्सेट्रा. इट ऑलवेज स्टार्ट विद द कैपिटल लेटर्स. हमने पढ़ा था कि जो प्रॉपर नाउन है वो हमेशा कैपिटल लेटर से स्टार्ट होता है, तो प्रॉपर एडजेक्टिव भी हमेशा कैपिटल लेटर से ही शुरू होता है. सेंटेंसेस में देखेंगे, आई लाइक इंडियन म्यूजिक, तो इंडियन डिस्क्राइब कर रहा है नाउन म्यूजिक को. ठीक है. दे एट चाइनीज फूड यस्टरडे, दे आर ऑस्ट्रेलियन players. So these are proper adjectives. And the last is eighth one, possessive adjective. Possessive means अधिकार होना, है ना, ownership. तो अधिकारवाचक हो गया, इसलिए अधिकारवाचक विशेषण. Possessive adjective shows something belongs to somebody. तो हमने possessive pronoun भी पढ़ा था, जिसमें हमने पढ़ा था कि किसी का अधिकार होना किसी चीज पे, स्वामित्व का भाव होना, है ना, दैट इज कॉल्ड पॉसेसिव ओनरशिप. एग्जाम्पल्स आर माई, योर, हिज, हर एक्सेट्रा. सेंटेंसेस, सोहम इज माई फ्रेंड, सो माई इज अ पॉसेसिव एडजेक्टिव एंड फ्रेंड इज नाउन. सो इट इज डिस्क्राइबिंग फ्रेंड, यानी कि नाउन जो फ्रेंड है उसको डिस्क्राइब कौन कर रहा है, माई. तो किसका फ्रेंड, माई, तो ये पोजेशन है. ठीक है, ओनरशिप दिखा रहा है कि ये मेरा फ्रेंड है. ओके, सो दिस इज कॉल्ड पॉसेसिव एडजेक्टिव. योर बुक इज ऑन द टेबल, सो पॉसेसिव एडजेक्टिव इज योर एंड बुक इज अ नाउन. तो बुक को ये क्या कर रहा है, यस, क्वालिफाई कर रहा है योर, ये किसकी बुक है, योर. आई एम लुकिंग आफ्टर हर डॉग, हुज डॉग, हर डॉग. ओके, शी लाइक्स योर हैट. So your is a possessive adjective and hat is a noun. All these words like my, your, his, her, we also studied in as a pronoun also. Possessive pronoun. Now let's see the difference between possessive pronoun and possessive adjective. So here we can see the difference between possessive adjective and possessive pronoun. My favorite color is red. Our holiday was cancelled. She ate her food by mistake, which is your car. So all these words, my, our, her, your, they are qualifying noun. Which noun? My is qualifying favorite, our is qualifying holiday, and her is qualifying food, your is qualifying car. So they are used as adjective. ठीक है, नाउन की विशेषता बता रही है, फेवरेट की विशेषता कि ये मेरा फेवरेट कलर है. And in possessive pronoun, you can see the test results are hers. The red car is mine. Which is hers? It is yours. So all these words, hers, mine, ours, yours, they are not qualifying any noun. They are used as pronouns. Okay. So this is the difference between possessive adjective and possessive pronoun. Okay. This is all for adjectives. If you have any queries, you can write in comment box or can ask me. Okay. If you learned something from my video, then kindly like, share and subscribe my channel.